Yo, y'all want to see how that GC sub paper hits by my boy E from Garment Creations? I've been asked why I haven't done a piece yet. So you know what? I'm going to make some quick socks. That's the quickest thing I can do with some full color. Let's see if the colors pop out like E says they do. Here we go. Pretty vibrant. Pretty vibrant. Let's see what they look like on some socks. And I'm gonna throw up on a pair of some socks. You know I got over from my boy. No, love you, but it's not about you today. Today it's about E, Garment Creations, GC Sub Paper. But we're gonna use these pairs of socks, and you know where I get my socks from. So here we go. All right, y'all, is it gonna work? How vibrant is this paper gonna be? Don't be lying to me, E. We're about to find out. I can tell you that it prints out pretty vibrant. Let's just see what they look like on these socks. Yo, this paper from E Garment Creations is fire, hella vibrant. I don't even cuss, right? I had to leave him a message just now, and I was like, E, this mother... You got me out here cussing, bro. So, look, I'm gonna leave a link. You gotta get you some GC sub. I'll be testing out a bunch of subs, showing you guys some sub paper throughout this week. I had to start with GC subs. I'm just doing one paper at a time because someone complained last time that I didn't do a proper review on them. I put them all together, so we're gonna test them all out throughout this entire week. So get you some. No, seriously. So on a serious note, is people think I just be gassing up these companies and the things that I use just to get, like, you know, people to like them, and it's really not true. That's not the case. Usually if I review something, someone sends me something, it's something I'm gonna like. I'm only gonna talk about products that I like. That's something I learned from one of my other fellow influencer homies, that, you know, really good friend of mine, is that why talk about something I'm not gonna use? I'm gonna talk about products that I use and that I like. GC sub paper from my boy E at Garment Creations is actually some really amazing paper. I didn't do anything. I mean, granted, I have certain presets set up in Photoshop to push my colors a little bit. That's all I did. But this paper allowed for my colors to really pop through. And look, I'm not even gonna edit the fact that I actually printed the image sideways on these socks. So I did kind of mess up, but you know what? They still came out super dope. I'm not doing it over. This is some really dope paper. I know some folks are gonna say, oh, this is sublimation paper. Everyone has sublimation paper. That's true. Everybody has sublimation paper these days, but not all of it is good paper. I have had some really crappy paper I have not even spoke about because I'm not gonna use it, and I don't wanna put anybody down, and I wouldn't want you to have to use it just because I wanted to get a good review. Nah, we're not gonna do that. So head over to my boy E at Garment Creations, order you some paper, at least one stack of 100 sheets. It's super inexpensive and it's great quality. I'm gonna leave his link somewhere down here, somewhere up there. You'll find his link. Follow him on IG if you're not following him yet, and like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can know when I'm about to drop something else next. I appreciate you guys for watching, and on that note, let's grow. Yo, if you want these, if anyone out there wants these pairs, this pair of socks that I did, the first sample pair of socks using this GC sub paper, let me know. I will gladly send it to you, pay for shipping and everything to get them to you. I printed it backwards. You know, I didn't do a great job. Actually, I did. But see down here, a little white was exposed, right? But and then the image was sideways. But you can at least say you got the first pair that I did using GC sub. So if you want these, I'll bag them up and everything for you. Look, in a nice little sock bag. Give me a number from 1 to 50. You know I'm super honest. If you get the number, I will say you got the number. If you want these, for whoever wants them. If you don't, hey, then don't even bother. But is it this way? It is. It's so vibrant. Lord help me. God, these came out so dope. If you want them, let me know and I'll send them to you for free. So I'm so excited about the GC sub paper and how that turned out. I'm doing another pair right now. So this time we're gonna do it on a pair of pink socks. Pink socks, here's the image. Let's walk you over here. We're gonna take that image and throw it on these pink socks. You see that? You see now, can we go 2 for 2 on a GC sub? Can it still be that vibrant? 2 for 2, here we go. So as you can see, I wasn't done. I had to print one more. Actually, I printed a whole handful of them, but I wanted to make sure I wasn't tripping, printing them over and over and over. His paper allows me to get so much detail. That's my video camera, but I mean, I get so much detail, man, and all of it comes off. Look at that. GC sub for the win.